Hello everyone! Today is December 3rd and it's time to open a new problem of the day on LeetCode for our coding advent calendar. I hope some of you tried to solve today's problem yourself. If you did this, congratulations! You are on the right way to rise your programming skills. If you missed it, don't worry, I will help you with solutions until the end of this year. Yes, that's right. New problem, new solution every day until the end of December. That's our coding advent calendar. Okay, here is today's problem of the day. Sort characters by frequency. Given string s, sort it in decreasing order based on the frequency of the character. The frequency of a character is the number of times it appears in a string. Return the sorted string. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. So for example, we have input value 3 and we should return it in this variant. Because e appears 2 times, we should put it first. So here CCC, AAA, both letters C and A appears 3 times. That means it doesn't matter we can push C in the beginning or A in the beginning. Both variants should work. And here AABB, we should put B first because A and A are different characters because they are in different case. So here is a constraint of the length of the string, and string can contain uppercase, lowercase, English letters and digits. Okay, so what should we do? I think it would be nice to first count the frequency of a character. In order to do this, we can scan our string and somehow store the frequency of each character. Hash map will help us with this, and implementation of hash map in C# is a dictionary. So dictionary or hash map from char to int. Okay, new dictionary, done. Now we need to scan the string. And we need to put each character in a dictionary. Okay, done. So we will assign the value for the key C based on existence of C in a dictionary. If it exists, we will add 1. If not, we will assign 1. Okay, now we have a frequency of character in a string into a dictionary. What should we do next? Next, we need to sort this data structure based on the value, the frequency of a character. So it is the same as we take our hash map data structure, and this hash map should have keys and values, and we need to sort the whole data structure based on values. We can do this in C#, but what should we do next? We will be able to go through sorted list, and we need to put characters in a sequence and create a string out of this sequence. I will not create a string every time I want to attach new character to it, so I will use some temporary data structure to store my sequence of characters, and for my example I will use Q. Okay, queue of characters. Now I need to go through the sorted sequence of characters based on their frequency. And how I should do this? I can look at my dictionary, at my hash map, as a collection of keys and values. As a result, I will get a sequence of key value pairs, and I can sort it in any order based on value. I will use lazy evaluation for this, so I will key VP in dictionary order by like this, based on value. Okay, so now I have sequence of ordered of characters ordered by frequency. Now I need to take the key, and based on how much this key appears, based on the value of this key value pair, I need to put it in a queue that number of times. So okay, done. What should I do next? I need to read this queue and create a string out of it. Okay, looks like it done. Let's check. Okay, if this works, this works, and this works. So looks like my solution works. Let's submit it. Okay, it is accepted. So let's try to estimate the time complexity of this algorithm. I use a read of the whole string, and this operation is O of n. Next I use sorting, but sorting will be big O of 1. Usually, like, sorting algorithms do in n log n time, but our alphabet is limited, so it doesn't matter how many letters are in your string. Resulted hash map will be of a fixed size. You cannot extend it more than the number of characters in your alphabet, and we are limited by English letters and numbers. That's it. So I expect this ordering, this sort mechanism, work in a fixed time. And queue operations, queue, dequeue, and all of them are in like big O of 1. So as a result, CPU is big O of n. What about memory? We use dictionary of a fixed size, so it's big O of 1. We use queue. Queue is big O of n because we eventually need to store the number of characters that appears in an input string. And we create a new array from it. It's also big of n, so memory is big of n. Okay, so here is our solution. I'm not sure if it's possible to do it better. Can you? Write in comments. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Based on the problems for last 3 days, someone on LeetCode wants us to get familiar with hash maps as close as possible. Try to solve tomorrow's problem yourself. Maybe hash map will not help there. Anyways, tomorrow I will release a new video. So, see you tomorrow!